shoot kare, okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Design Consulting Services. Today we are doing concrete. So there is some procedure, okay. Once concrete come, you cannot pour directly. You have to do some quality test. So one of the important test is slump test. So before concrete, we have to take the slump test. And remember one thing, when you take the sample, starting 10% of concrete and the last 10% concrete should not take for slump sample, okay. We should throw that concrete and take middle portion as per ASTM C31. So now this is our third party and is maintaining quality our site. So now we are checking the slump test, okay. This is called temperature test, and this temperature test as per standard, it should not be more than 32 degree, okay. This is 32, perfect. So if you go beyond the 32 temperature, we have to reject, okay. There is one more test also coming, air test. Normally we are not performing because this Albaha is a very good area, so there is no humidity issues. So after this finish temperature test, we have to do the slender casting, slump test, okay. Start pause required, okay. This is called cone and this is called scoop, and this is our tamping rod, okay. So this and also measuring tape. Where is the measuring tape? We should have all these things, okay. So now we have to damp this completely in the water to avoid this otherwise it will stick to this cone. So when you pull up, it will stick, the concrete stick to this cone. So for that reason we have to immerse in the water, okay. And this base plate also should be put and make it damp, okay. Then start the cone.
उधर बात करने के लिए बोलो।
Cone filling करें। We have to mix once you stick the concrete, we have to mix properly. It should be homogeneous color like this, okay. So in the mixer also it is completely mixed. So now we are filling the cone. This cone should be filled in how many layers? 3 layers. 3 layers. Those are
In 3 layers, once taking the procedure, 3 layers, first layer 25 rows, and then second layer 25, and the last one 25 rows.
So every layer we should ram 25 times, okay. And this cone should be filled in equal layers, 3 layers, okay, equal. And fill this one and again go for second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this 25 times you have to run, okay. And again for the last layer. And so before taking concrete, okay, first check this bed sheet, okay. Your bed sheet should be computer printed, not by handwritten. If it is handwritten, you should send one person to monitor quality from there. Okay, he should monitor from the batching plant and inform the site people. The concrete truck is delivered like this. Otherwise, concrete will expire if it is more time. So we have to use the stipulated time. And
उसमें
so once we receive our concrete mixers, we should check the batch sheets. Okay, in this batch sheet we should check the time, quantity, and grade of concrete. So now we are doing our under the ground, so it should be SRC. Why? Because our mix design approved for SRC cement. So we have to make sure this cement is SRC. And how much kg cement is given there? There it is given I think 480 kg per cubic meter. So that much cement content should be available, okay, per cubic meter. We have to check this one.
मेरा आवाज भी है सर।
हाँ, no problem. Slump test का पूरा